From Acer is a SD, and card reader for smartphones. USB-C, today's smartphones. Computers, today's technology is real small. And your laptop, simply portable. Put it on your keychain, put it in your pocket whenever you need to have a card reader. I want to show you how nice and small it is, how nicely it comes packaged and displayed. That you simply pull out. You have a little lanyard strap that you can simply hook up to. Take it anywhere on the go. Put it on your keychain in your pocket. Don't lose. You have a USB-A port and a USB-C port. I don't have a USB-C port, but we have a USB-C port that we simply plug into with the regular SD card and a micro SD card. So I want to transfer files off of my camera and I don't have cables. Take it out of the camera, find a spot, and place in. It lights up blue, comes up on the computer, and able to download your files just like that. You have a owner's manual to learn about your card, and if you want to remove your card, simply just pull out and want to read an SD card slot, you can do so as well. Covers to protect the slots, and the USB-A plug into the port. Plug in your SDXC card. And have fun using. With updated phones, they simply slide in and able to transfer information to the SDXC card, optional. Small, compact, aluminum alloy with plastic, lanyard strap to read your SDXC and SD cards. Portable, on the go, from Acer. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.